Here's a 2018 GMC Sierra 2500 HD. There are people that like trucks and people that need trucks. This Sierra was built for those that need a truck. A get dusty, haul anything, heavy-duty pickup. The corner step rear bumper is built to accommodate your work boots and give you quick and easy access to the truck's bed. Since load size vary, the 4 heavy-duty movable upper cargo box tie-downs help lock it all in. The high-strength steel construction makes for a quiet ride, while you enjoy entertainment options from a USB port and auxiliary audio input. The ride is built to handle it all with an automatic locking rear differential and StabiliTrak with proactive roll avoidance. It was built for the tough-as-nails worker who needs a tough-as-nails truck. Take the Sierra for a test drive today.
The deals won't get any better than they are every day at Ferguson Buick GMC. The customer service is great too. We are conveniently located off I-35 and West Robinson Street in Norman, Oklahoma.